Hello friends, welcome back. This is your Ranad. Today we will learn how to add sound effects to animated videos. I have created an animated video and we will add sound effects to it. First, we have to download the audio effects and music. For this, go to Google and click Bend Sound. Then click this link. You can choose the music of your choice. Then click Download. Then, for the sound effects, we will go to Free Sounds. Type in whatever sounds you like and then click Enter. After you click Enter, click the link that's the name of the sound effect. Then click Download. After you have done this, go to Openshot and then put the audio effect and music in Openshot and also the animated video. Click the plus sign and then find where you logged it. First, put the video in the frame, in the tracks. If it's kind of hard to edit it, move this, then it will be much easier. First, we will put the sound effects. Run the video to see how well it looks. Then pause it. After you have paused it, move the line where you want it to be and slice this audio. After you have sliced it, let's add the music. We want to hear the audio effects, so we will reduce the sound of the music. Now let's see what we have done. I have placed all the sound effects. See my final video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if my channel is cool. Bye.